Hello, I'm Samuel Forcier, and I'm studying in natural science at Montmorency College since last year. Natural science is the study of the physical world. It is the study of how the world works based on observations and experimentation. And when I will work in ecology, I will have to write reports of some experiments. So if I need to write it in English, it better be without any mistakes to show my professionalism. Here is how I can make sure to write perfectly in English. I can go on the website Virtual Writing Tutor. You can see the logo right here above the navigation menu. There's a lot of good features on this website, so let me show you some of them. First of all, the check spelling button. It's under the text area. So if I write my sentence, automatically it checks the spelling. You can see there is a red underline under maples. I can right click on that and it will show me the possible good words that I wanted to write. So it was maples, the first one. And that's it. I have no more spelling mistakes. Next, the check grammar button. This is the most important, I think, because it corrects the grammar mistakes. So I can click on that, and you can see there is a word count. So my sentence have 9 words and 1 error on those 9 words. So here is the first error. It's red. There is a feedback to understand the concept. So adjectives and noun modifiers are almost never plural in English. So red doesn't take an S. I can go there and correct my mistake because red is not plural, so I don't put an S. Check grammar again. I don't have any more mistakes. So that's good. I can now show another feature. It's next to the text area to the right. There is a little speaker, and it's a pronunciation app. So if you want to know how to pronounce something, you can go on Virtual Writing Tutor, click on the little speaker, and you will know how to pronounce a sentence. So yeah, now I heard how to write it, so I can now say it with the little microphone. It will write for me using my voice. So there were 6 quaking aspens and 5 red maples. So I can remove that little. And there is no capital letters because it's not the scientific term, so it doesn't take capital letters. And I can put a dot, and now I can check grammar again, and I don't have any mistakes, so I'm good to go. And thank you for listening to me. I hope you liked my screencast, and bye.